So HVAC stands for, it's actually HVAC/R, so heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration. We repair, install, and maintain HVAC equipment throughout Udeid Air Base, and that ranges from comm equipment to defects to comfort cooling. One of the biggest challenges out here would be the heat. It destroys our equipment and just makes its lifespan shorter. And then getting parts to replace and fix that equipment also is a challenge out here. HVAC is very important at the Air Force mission because we support every AFSC and pretty much every mission, ranging from the KOC to critical comm facilities, providing cooling for them to support downrange missions outside of the wire, maintaining our communications. Basically, you guys call and say it's too hot. I'm out there with a tool bag and a meter, and I'm trying to fix it. We fix heating, AC, and refrigeration, and ventilation. Obviously out here in the desert, we don't need that much heating. You'll never hear from us unless your AC goes out, because that's normally when people ask, where's HVAC? But yeah, basically this line is where all the refrigerant was leaking out from this compressor, from this whole circuit. Majority of our job out here, actually a big thing is PMs, which is maintenance. Clogged filters from all the sand and dirt, loose belts, broken belts, dirty coils, and sometimes thermostats just need new batteries. That happens a lot. Sometimes things just get loose, creates leaks, and really, as long as our maintenance starts off well, then we don't really have any problems. We're here to make sure that you're comfortable. Like our primary job is for you to not even think about HVAC. We want people to not know we exist. Because if you know we exist, that normally means there's a problem. When you're uncomfortable, you'll call us. You know, we try to give them one less thing to worry about, because like, you know, they're already stressed from like being away from family and whatnot. We don't need them stressing about like, oh, it's too hot or, you know, too cold. So we try to keep them comfortable.
My name is Senior Airman John Rodriguez. I'm an HVAC journeyman. So people usually, when they think HVAC, they think of the gym when they're working out. HVAC is not only for comfort cooling. You can't have people out here working 120 degree weather, 110 degree constantly for 12-hour shifts. They have to take breaks, they have to stay cool, as well as equipment. Our comm uses a lot of cooling to keep their servers running. A lot of heat load comes off of those things. Without any AC, comms go out, Wi-Fi goes out. The defect, they don't have any freezing capabilities. They can't keep frozen foods good for the week. This entire base runs on cold air. It's a little bit harder to get everything out here. There's some people downrange. They need parts that we need as well, so we go and we pull them off our junkyard. We call it cannibalizing. From contactors, relays, we pull fuses from different boards. We'll pull old boards from down units. Some of these units go off on different problems where we can still use the majority of the parts for other ops. CE is like a giant family. And right here, I feel like I can honestly call these guys my brothers. It's almost as if you're not at work. You're just doing something with your family for a bigger picture.
With summer approaching, the HVAC career field, especially here at Davis-Monthan, is at the busiest point that it will be all year. During this time period, we will be the busiest shop in the 355th Civil Engineering Squadron due to the high demand for both critical and comfort cooling. A typical day for a technician in the HVAC career field will be to provide recurring maintenance or to work on an emergency work order that may come in to provide cooling for a simulator facility or a server room location such as the 12th Air Force building. The HVAC mission here at Davis-Monthan is to provide critical and comfort cooling to the facilities on base. We provide critical cooling to server locations, simulator facilities, training facilities, and comfort cooling to offices and any other facility here on base. Our mission is to provide you with the means of ensuring that you have the capabilities to do your mission.